In this tutorial video, we will be learning on original backend for Bluecat 1. We will be doing the coding on Google Colab. Like we did in the previous video, we will be starting with the installation of Bluecat. Type the code, !pip install Bluecat in order to install Bluecat. Let us do it in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. And click on the play button to run the code. Bluecat will be installed after a while. Set the classical optimization algorithm. Here, we would like to see how to set the classical optimization algorithm for the classical optimization algorithm used in VQE and QAOA, which are quantum classical hybrid calculations. Setting method. The classical optimization algorithm can be changed by simply specifying the minimizer when running ansets. You can specify the algorithm for classical optimization. You can mainly choose from SciPy. Implementation of other optimization solvers. In addition, to implement the optimization solver you want to use, prepare the following function and use it as a minimizer. This time, we will introduce hyperopt for Bayesian optimization. You can directly copy the code from the link or manually type it all. In this way, we were able to successfully introduce it. Thank you for watching this video.